Hey everyone, I'm Silverwolf, and this is a video that some of you have been waiting for. These guys have a bit of a story behind them. So basically, my friend, thanks to Caleb Chung, hi, sold me these Furby Furblets because she bought them and the voice clips are all reused. And so she was very disappointed. So she asked me before she put them on eBay, would I like to buy them off her for the same price that she bought them for? And I said yes. Because at the end of the day, you guys want to see these being unboxed. So I thought it would help you out as well. I don't have the other three or the two springtime ones. And the reason for that, because people have been asking, the reason for that is because the Furblets, especially since they have reused voice clips, I don't really want to order them from American Amazon and have them sent all the way over here and pay extra money on the shipping when I could just get them over here for cheaper when they're actually been released, because I don't feel that they're worth importing, really. Sort of like from America and just spending more money on it, and it's just basically that. So yeah, that's it. That's the reason. So if anyone wonders, that's the reason. Also, a big shout out to Furby Bus, who wanted a shout out as well. So we've got 3 of these Wave 4 Furby Furblets, 3 out of 6. We have Chee-Chee, Flo-Flo and Bamboo. Now all of these seem to have been based on animals. Chee-Chee, cheetah, although it seems more leopard print. Flo-Flo, flamingo and Bamboo, the panda. And there are 3 others, zebra, tiger and I think it might be, oh yeah, it's a cow, isn't it? Of course, the cow, Mubu. So let's get into it. Let's unbox them and then you guys can see what they're like. So we'll start off with Chee-Chee. So here's Chee-Chee, a nice cheetah or leopard print there. Bright pink hair, which I think actually is quite good. I kind of like neon colours against natural colours. It kind of works. It makes me wonder who designs the colour schemes for these. And the tag is sort of a turquoise colour. So this one's got purple face and little purple heart gem, hearts in the eyes and purple inner ears. And you probably all recognise the sounds it's making. I think this might be Mermaid. Actually, no, it's not Mermaid. I think it might be the pineapple one they did. Hula. Because everyone was super happy that Hula came out and it wasn't reused voice clips, and then the other 5 were. And these new ones, that literally all of them are reused. And I think only collectors would probably notice this, which is why Hasbro have done it. It's obviously, like I've said before, cheaper. But only people who had the others would sort of be disappointed. But if they do it too much, people are going to have more and more double ups of them, and they're going to buy one thinking, oh, this is a different one, and then be disappointed. Oh dear, feeling quite sick there. Okay, so that's that one, Chee-Chee. Let's open up FloFlo next. So FloFlo's got quite a neat look. The ears appear to be a longer material than the rest of it. There you go. Oh, and actually this is a different material as well. It's not the same as... So CheeChee's just a normal material that they're all made out of. FloFlo appears to be a shorter plush for the body and a longer plush for the ears, which is pretty cool. Even CheeChee can't believe it. And yeah, I did actually hear all the Dragon Ball Z things. Chee-Chee from Dragon Ball. Yes, I am a Dragon Ball fan as well. So I did think that was kind of neat. But Chee-Chee, cheetah, which is kind of sad. Also, I think Chee-Chee's spelt differently in Dragon Ball as well. So FloFlo is the flamingo-based one and is pink all over with this sort of green colour clip. So very, very much a pink thing. Just waiting for Chee-Chee to go to sleep. She will in a minute, I'm sure. Let's open this one up. So I kind of like how FloFlo's been done. I mean, this fur is really quite long and fluffy. You can't really see the insides of the ears, which of course are pink. I do like the look of this. I mean, if you were just buying them for the look of them and not so much for the voice clips inside, because let's face it, are you going to replace the batteries when they run out? Eventually, they probably all will be glorified paperweights. So we've got the black beak here like a flamingo. And the eyes have got palm trees in them. And you've got a little blue heart gem there. It's got a kind of an accent. I think another reason I like the shorter fur for the body of the furblet, because you can see the feet better. I mean, with most of them, you can't really see the feet. And I've always found that to be a little bit strange. I think that this looks more sort of normal. I don't know. I just prefer how that looks as opposed to not really being able to see the feet at all. I think that the eating sounds, I've got a feeling there's probably less voice clips for them. I think the actual eating sounds that they put, there's less, like there's fewer variants within the num 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 thing. And then they just add the furblet's voice onto the end of it. So, yeah, from what I've sort of seen, there seems to be less variation in those. Put you to sleep. Right, so we've got Bamboo here. Now, I really like the design of Bamboo. We all thought it was a Halloween furblet when we first saw it. And it turns out it's a panda. Obviously, Bamboo. So, the fur on the ears, again, is quite thick and fluffy. It actually feels nicer than the fur on FloFlo's ears. But the length of the plush is the same. The pile is pretty much the same. And it appears to have the short fur on the body again, which is nice. So it's purple and white as opposed to black and white because we need colours in our lives, I suppose. And again, the clip is green. Oh, I recognise that sound. Yes, yeah, this is definitely one we've heard before. So the ears again, lovely and fluffy. The inside of the ears are purple. And living up to his name, he's got bamboo in his eyes, as you can see there. And a little black beak, I suppose, which would be the panda's nose. This would be cool if it glowed in the dark. I don't know why, but the colour of that plastic makes me think, oh, glows in the dark. They should make a glow-in-the-dark Furblet, actually. I mean, they did a glow-in-the-dark Furby, so, you know, it would make sense. Yeah, again, with the short fur, which like I said, I just think it looks better with the short fur. So you can see its feet, and it just looks really cute. And I don't know, the shape of it seems to be nicer too. So I'm quite impressed with how this one looks. Obviously, the voice clips are repeated, so I think really people will probably end up collecting these not for the voices, but for the looks of them. I could be wrong, but I'm getting the impression that now not only that they're reusing the voice clips, they're mix and matching them. I mean, like I said, I could be wrong. They could have just put the chip from another one in this. But to sort of like vary it up a bit is almost, I just get the impression they may be mix and matching it. Like I said, I could be wrong because I've heard so many of them that I can't even compare them. I mean, I've got 16, 17, 18, I've got 19 of them now. And in fact, I may have already had 19 and now I've got over 20. I don't know. I've just got loads of them because I bought every single one that they've done. But I just get that impression that they are. Oh dear. Excuse me. And you fart and then sing about it. So there we go. That's the first 3 of the Wave 4 Furblets. And I will obviously unbox the others whenever I get them. I've been keeping an eye on the UK Amazon. Amazon seems to be a bit strange for looking for Furblets. For some reason, and I do not know why this is, you type in Furby Furblets and it corrects it, and it does the same on the American one, to Furby Furblets. And it's very irritating because I know I've spelt the word right. There must be a load of people searching for something different, and so Amazon thinks that that's what it should be. So it is a little bit annoying. It's nice that they do ship them internationally though, because of course the Aurora Furby, when it was released, they didn't send that to other countries. I had to get my American friend to send it over to me, which she did as part of my birthday present. Yeah, so that was fun. So that's it. And thinking about when this video is released. It isn't quite New Year yet, is it? No, it's not. So this is my last video of 2024. So I hope everyone's had a good 2024, and I hope you all have a very good New Year as well. And I hope that if you've had a rubbish 2024, that the New Year will be much better for you. I mean, me, for example, I had a good 2024 until it got to about July, and then it just went downhill from there. So hopefully 2025 will be better. In any case, even if you had a brilliant 2024, I hope the new year will be great for you. Anyway, if you want to see more videos of these guys, you can click the boxes that come up below. And as always, if you want to tip me, if you enjoy what I do, you can send me a coffee on Ko-fi. The link is in the description. So that's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silverwolf signing off.